What's up, BJJ Library? Through the Xande Ribeiro here in Manaus. Let's go. We just finished a nice seminar. You know, we give the seminar for all the guys from the government and the mayor. Now we're gonna go on the boat, eat some traditional fish on the middle of the river, and that's all we do. We go train Jiu-jitsu. Now it's time to enjoy the lifestyle and the beauty of the Amazon. All right. Okay, so that's how we do it. That's the floating houses that we keep the boats. Our boat is getting ready because we're gonna take the boat all the way to the restaurant. So that's our, we call flutuantes. Okay, come in with us. Then what you do, you have your boat, and then you keep them there. Usually those areas we don't really shower or anything, just to keep the boat. Very hot day, very sunny. My friend Fredson Alves, come on Fredson. What you gotta say? Say something to the BJJ Library guys.
This is the selva, this is the jungle.
This is the good part of it. This is our captain today, Dan. On English aí, Dan.
What's up, guys? What's up, people?
BJJ Library.
Welcome to Manaus.
What's gonna be the itinerary for today?
We're going to eat in a restaurant called Peixe Boi.
Peixe Boi.
To eat tambaqui and maybe drink some juice.
Yeah, drink some. Of course, juice. I haven't been.
Maybe afterwards we're gonna do some wake surf. Maybe.
Well, maybe. Yeah, first time my daughter gonna be in the water in the Amazon. We call it banho de caboquice. It's about time now. So we're on the way. We come back. Alright guys, so since we're in the Amazon, surrounded by rivers, there's one thing that you don't have anywhere in the world. A 7-Eleven on the water. You know, that's when you park your car and get some cookies and drinks and everything. See, you get your ice creams, your beer. So you're ready for it, so you get as soon as you park, you have a guy helping you out. Brother, rope. And we got everything right there, you know. Just ready to step up and get what we need and go to our destination. So now we're going to go to the destination, our Peixe Boi restaurant. Just go in, park your boat, get the best fish in town, you know, then go for a swim, have fun. It's a busy day today. Saturday, it's good weather, and but you know, they probably just go around. There's a big channel inside, they probably just go around, fish, bring right back. So there's no Monsanto GMOs, no all that crappy stuff they put in the food. So one of the secrets on the Amazon boys that the fish we eat is all pretty much caught here and cooked right here. So there's no middleman, you know. It's the little guy that lives in the little house. So that's probably his house right there. You know, so you live there, you get his boat, you go for fishing day, catch the best fish, and just come and cook for us. So now is the best part. Dano, which one is this one?
Matrinchan.
Matrinchan.
Tambaqui.
The famous tambaqui. That's the costela, lombinho. And they all the garnish that come with it. So that's the secret of the Amazon. Of course, all my boys are starving because they come from the seminar. So we're all hungry. And I guess it's my time to stop talking and start eating. Valeu, guys. My brother Claudio, he teaches us the real knowledge of the Amazon. He's the head of the tambaqui. There's all the jiu-jitsu knowledge, I teach us how to do it. You go inside.
Vamos abrir agora a caixa de marcha.
Yeah, that's the. That's how everything. Yeah.
Buscar aqui a sabedoria
That's
agora.
the knowledge right there. Me chama.
Que é a regionalidade, que é os caboclos agora. Trabalhando, falta só McLaren. Como diria Tadeu também. Tadeu gosta dessa parte aqui. O olho.
O olho. Give it the third eye. Really?
Pode dar aqui, é só a carninha, bochecha, direto.
Ó, a bochecha.
O gosto é outro, é a do igarapé. Vai sentir o barro do igarapé. Acabou. Vai energizar o índio.
So Pacheco, we're here with Fred Alves. We're gonna do a surf on the river. I never seen that. Fredson. So you're gonna do a wake surf now?
Wake surf, yeah.
Right on. So this is our spot here. You know, in front of our buddy's house. It's just a little house. You know, you come here, you're gonna see all that good stuff.
Agora vem aí o macaco e farofa.
Vamos para aí, já tá estudando.
Eu não me regulei pra ordem.
Ladies and gentlemen, you heard the Soulful Sound Part 1. Now, Part 2, are you ready? Do you want to hear? Part 2, are you ready? Do you want to hear? Part 2, are you ready? Do you want to hear? Part 2, are you ready? Do you want to hear?
And the world's gonna know. Got my black hat on, got my mojo too.